Are you tired of staring at the holes in your walls and ceilings? If your answer is yes, then it is time to have them repaired. We have a team of highly trained tradesmen who specialize in the repairs and replacement of drywall. Our company offers more than just drywall repair. Here's our services we offer. We are a one-stop shop for all drywall-related problems for residential and commercial buildings. Please contact our agents if you want to learn more about what solutions we can provide for your walls and ceilings. Visit our website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more tips and updates.